Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I completed my MA and B.Ed course, and I like to study different varieties books and watch to the TV programs.
Ma,
Conversations. How are you? I am fine. When will you return in this old house? Because I want to sing to the house. I want to meeting you. So I am waiting for a long time. I am very busy to participate in the new job, but I am trying also to meeting you as soon as the possible. Okay, I am waiting for you. Other conversations. Hi Riba, how are you? I am very sick. I am understand to seeing you, but I suggest to you that you should be to visit a doctor's and have an appointment to visit the good doctors. Okay, I I am trying to visit the doctors as soon as the possible. Okay, sure. Other conversations. Hi, mom. How are you? I am well. When will you come here? I want to come, but I have not any leave and I am trying to see you after the summer vacations. What are you doing? I picking the vegetables. Hi, doctors. Okay, take your seat. And what is your problems? I am suffering for the headache and fever. Have you any medicines? No, I I have not any medicines. How many days have you suffering? I have been suffering for 1 day. Okay, I check up to you and give you medicines. Please take it and careful to himself. Okay.